All we had to do was follow the damn trains, Jay. Waiting for it to get light.
Oh my god. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, baby.
So, we're currently on the train, a hard sleeper train again. I'm going to give you a tour of this in a minute. But yeah, we're on a train going from Xi'an, where we saw the Terracotta Army, to Changsha, which is 16 hours. And then we're going to get a train from Changsha to Zhangjiajie, where we're going to see the Avatar Mountains. And it's going to be amazing and beautiful and perfect in every way. We're going to Zhangjiajie. I can't pronounce anything properly. Zhangjiajie National Park, which is home to the Avatar Mountains. Do you know what I'm on about? Hello, we're currently on a hard sleeper train to Changsha from Xi'an, where we saw the Terracotta Army. We're on this train for about 16.5 hours, where we get off at Changsha, and then from Changsha to Zhangjiajie, our next destination, it's about 5 hours, where we're going to see the Avatar Mountains and Glass Canyon Bridge. So look forward to that, keep watching. We're going to give you a film. We're going to give you a tour of the hard sleeper train in a minute, so look forward to that as well. In the meantime, hi, we're just going to give you a little tour of the hard sleeper train. So when you first get to the train station, you'll probably go through City 17. If loads of you don't know that Half-Life reference, it's just a load of security checks and police, soldiers sometimes. And after that, you'll go to the train station. Once you get your ticket, you'll go to the train station, get your ticket, go to the waiting room, wait with a load of people, follow them, get onto the train, and you'll get to here. If you're on the hard sleeper, you'll come through a door there, and then you'll come to this bit. So, first thing, at the back of the carriage is a few taps, cold water, nothing else. Just got to wait for that guy to go open the door. To the left is a toilet, which is, if it's a hard sleeper, it's just a hole in the ground. It's a little bit gruesome, so we're not going to show you that. But let me do it, I'll just... Cribs.
You've got the table. You've got the bed. Put your bags. Got the bed. Pillow. Crib. Got the water over here. There's 3 beds.
Yeah. 6 beds to a compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down there. Baggage all along here. Under these small tables, sometimes they plug. Most of them don't work. And at the end of the carriage is water.
Adjust vertical speed. Adjust. Clear of conflict.
And now that goes to another hard sleeper.
开店的医药花。
And that concludes the very brief tour of the hard sleeper train. Next up is the soft sleeper. C'est bon. If you have any suggestions on how to pass the time, put it in the comments. I'm a scab man. I'm gonna get another beer.
I want to get the construction working.
Yo, what's up? We finally got to Zhangjiajie. We're in our hostel now. It's not as good as our previous hostels. It's a little bit run down. Not going to say which one it is because the staff are nice enough and it does what it says on the tin. The heat, we got heating as well. It's quite cold in here, but we just worked out how to use the heating, so that's all good. Yeah, we're at Zhangjiajie. We're just outside the national park, so tomorrow we're going to go on a big tour. We're going to take you with us around the whole scenic area of the Avatar Mountains, and then the day after that we're going to go to the day after that we're going to go to the Glass Bridge, which will also be amazing. But for the time being, let me take you on a tour of our little room, as we did over the previous hotel. This very dim light. I don't want to touch it because it might break. There's not one here. Sandals down here. 2 rock hard beds, but if you're in China, you come to expect that. Kettle, TV. It's all very Chinesey. And the piece of resistance. The toilet. When we came in, the floor was really wet, and it's not exactly the best, but it does the job, and I'm not complaining. So yeah, that's the very 30-second tour of our place. Get ready to join us at the Avatar Mountains. It's going to be a good video, just don't miss it. That felt good. Oh, I'm standing today. This is more of a summer hostel, not so good for winter. Here's a link to one of our many videos. Click it now.